Hey there, so this is part 2 of chapter 7, section 4, dealing with quadrilaterals, and right now we're going to talk about the angle measurements and what all the interior angles measure and how when you add them all up you get 360 degrees. Similar to when we were working with triangles, there's a way to prove it. So right here I have this little coordinate plane because we need more than just the 180 degrees. So I know that 180 degrees here and 180 degrees here, 180 plus 180 is 360. You know, you could start with something simple like a rectangle. You have your right angle, right angle, right angle, right angle. 90 times 4 is 360. And just like I did with the triangle sum theorem, I can rip the angles and place them in here. And you can see that they do in fact go all the way around and prove that they're 360 degrees. There's all the angles right there. That's your rectangle. You should remember what this is from the video earlier. This is a kite. This side and this side are the same, and this side and this side are different. There's all my special markings for that. So I can do the same thing here. I could rip the angles. It's a little tricky sometimes when the shapes start getting interesting. And then my last one here. And then it's just kind of like a little puzzle. You got to kind of make it work. And you can see that when all the angles meet together, again, it's 360 degrees. So that was with a kite. We can do the same thing with this shape. You should all remember what this one is. This is your trapezoid. So I didn't mark these corners, these angles, but it should still work just fine. Put them all together, meeting at the vertex. And you can see that they do in fact add up to 360 degrees. So that's your proof of the interior angle measurements of a quadrilateral and why they equal 360 degrees. So if you take W plus X plus Y plus Z, it's equal to 360 degrees. So that being said, we can take a quadrilateral like this and find our missing measurement for X by setting up a little equation. So we have 115 plus 70 plus 75 plus X is equal to 360. Simplify this side. That is 260 plus X equals 360. Subtract 260 from both sides. So X is equal to 100. Then if you substituted that back in, sure enough, all those together would equal 360 degrees. All right, so here's a few of them on your own. I want you to pause the video right now and try these. So hopefully you're pausing. I hope you are. Okay, so hopefully you paused it. The answer when you work this one out, X is equal to 80. And on number 5, X was equal to 65. Don't forget ones like this. When it has that mark there, that means it's 90 degrees. Don't leave that out. So that is the interior angle measures of a quadrilateral. And you can find missing measurements because they all equal 360 degrees. See ya.